Hello and welcome to another episode of Traders View. Here we look at all things technical analysis across all kinds of market, and then we'll come over here and share it with you guys. So today I want to take a look at two markets. I want to take a look at the crypto market, and I also want to take a look at the Swiss franc Singaporean trade, which I told you was going to pump. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, this is the Bitcoin chart right here, and this is what I can tell you. Don't FOMO. This is the message. This is something I wish someone had told me when I first started in this industry. This is a lesson that I have learned over 10 years, and I've learned it the hard way. I've learned it painfully. The market never expires. The market is always there. No matter what it is that you're going through, the market will be there. Your time is going to come. You're going to make money. Do not FOMO. Now, if you don't know what FOMO means, it means fear of missing out. Do not FOMO. Don't be afraid of missing out on a trade. Miss out, in fact, if the trade doesn't meet all of your criteria. So what you need to do is develop a system, right, within which you look at the market, stick to that system no matter what. There are times the market will do exactly what that system says. There are times the market will not follow the system. It's okay. It's all right. If the market doesn't follow the system, let it go. Now, let me tell you something. You know your system, but you can never know the market. Have that at the back of your mind. You can know what your trading system look like. Like for me, it is CSS. I look for circle, I look for strength, and I look for structure. Those are the three things I look out for. And then when those things align, I wait for timing to execute it. I know that system. But I don't know what the market is going to do. Nobody knows. However, I know that when the market behaves, when the market syncs up or sets up according to my system, I know with 90% accuracy what it's going to do. So before I go on, I just feel I should let you guys know this. Don't be afraid of missing out. FOMO will drain your account. This is something I wish somebody had told me when I first started. Right? Do not be afraid of missing out. It's okay to miss out on a trade. And what we do here is that we look at multiple markets. We don't look at just the crypto market. We look at multiple markets. Right? Forex market, commodity market, index market, stock market. We look at all of those. I have lots of trade lining up to be called just this month alone. So do not be afraid if you miss out on just the Bitcoin trade or the Solana trade, right? Other market will compensate for that miss. Let's get into it. So what is Bitcoin doing? Okay, so look at the chart, the Bitcoin chart right here. Bitcoin has broken through this area of resistance. That's the first sign that things are moving well. It's a good thing. Right? So what that means is that strength is entering into the market. We call that impulse move. Nobody should chase after an impulse move. An impulse move was never meant to be chased. Don't regret that you miss an impulse move because nobody knows when an impulse move is going to occur. However, the reason an impulse move happens is to break through significant area of resistance or support, as the case may be. And when that happens, it doesn't mean that you should buy. It just means that one of the criteria that you need to get into the market has just been fulfilled. Right? So that's what we've seen here with Bitcoin. Bitcoin just broke the resistance. Now, Bitcoin now has to circle low. Remember CSS, we need a circle low. So right now, we've only seen a breakout and everybody is going crazy. And that's one thing about the crypto market. It's so noisy. Bitcoin does one thing. It's all over the news, right? But you try as much as possible to filter out that noise, right? And work with what you have, your trading system, right? So right here we have a breakout, and that is good. So what we need now is a C. We need a circle down, right? We need a circle down to this level. And if Bitcoin circles down to that level and the strength is still good, then we are going to buy. right? So that's it for Bitcoin. Bitcoin just broke out. Let's wait for the retest. Don't FOMO. Wait for the market to come to you. The market will come to you. Wait, right? Be patient. Your time will come. When the time comes and the market retests that level, you have struck gold, and then you can go aggressive with the market. Do you understand? So wait, and you thank me that you did. Okay, so now I want to talk about the CHF Singaporean dollar. I did not call the trade again in the group because everybody in the group was waiting for that trade. I didn't call it again. Why? Because something fundamentally shifted. The short-term strength flip while I was waiting for timing to jump in. And so I am not interested. I'm no longer interested in that trade until the short-term strength flip backs up again. Usually when things like this happen, it signals a market that will begin to chop, that will begin to go sideways. So it's better you stay away from that kind of market. So I am still bullish about the market. Long-term conditions remains intact, but the short-term condition has changed. And so as a result, we'd have to wait on that one, or perhaps look at another asset to get into. This is January. A lot of markets are trying to set up, for the big moves. We will be here for all of that, right? And trust me, this is going to be our biggest year yet. So if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? This is a new channel. I do all of this analysis for you. Please help me out clicking on the subscription button, right? Subscribe, and most importantly, like and turn on the notification bell so that you get informed when I drop things like this. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.